Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see, we have started with the basics of poly modeling. So we'll be continuing with the final part of this particular tutorial over here. So let's get started. So there are a few more things which we can model it over here. So let's just take a reference over here. We can model this chair also, we can model this table. So let's just take a box over here. Slightly I'll just push this up over here. I'll go to the top view, convert to editable poly, select this edges. Let's give two connects over here. I'll slightly push it over here. Select this. Let's give two connects. Go into this, select the vertices, slightly just shuffle this up, push it up. So select this polygons over here and let's give a bit of bevel over here, push it down. So if you want, I can slightly push it more inside also, that can be done. So you can slightly give a bit of inset over here and let's give a bit of bevel. So into the bevel I can slightly increase this and let's click OK. Select the vertices, slightly just push it down. So how you can make a cup over here? That's a very simple. Let's just take a teapot over here. Let's take a teapot. Into that, go into this lead and spout. Let's give a modifier called a taper modifier. So let's give a taper modifier. Slightly go over here, increase the amount and then give a stretch modifier slightly and increase the stretch value, reduce the taper. Okay, now that's your cup is created over here. After that, let's make this also. We can make a typewriter. So let's just take a box over here. And let's convert to editable poly. So let's take a Swiftloop. Take a Swiftloop. Push it down in this way. Again take one more Swiftloop over here. Slightly push it in this way. Select the vertices. Select this polygons. Before we add this, first let's just add some loops over here. Let's give a bit of inset. Let's give extrude. Select this. Give a bit of inset over here. Let's click OK. Now go into the side view, or you can go into this view and let's add some loops over here. Alright, so inset it by polygons, slightly, not much, and let's give bevel slightly, just push this down. Let's click OK. So again I'll select this edges. So select this whole edges. Let's click on this edges over here and let's give a bit of chamfer. Okay, I won't give chamfer over here. We can smoothen it if required. I'll just keep it in this way right now. Let's give some connects. Alright, so go into the vertices, slightly just shuffle it a bit inside over here. So I'll just give a color to it. So there are a lot of things you can model over here. You can even model this wall clock. For that, let's just take a wall over here. Take a cylinder, auto grid on, activate this auto grid, go into this, increase the size, reduce this, convert to editable poly, select the polygons, slightly inset it. So before that, I'll go into the vertices, select the polygons, don't inset it, slightly push it inside. Alright, so you can just give a glass material over here. So that would be in the form of a texture, this part. If you want to make this hands of a clock, so I'll just take a cylinder right at the center, convert to editable poly, take again a box over here, slightly push it down, convert to editable poly, and let's give a Swiftloop. So I'll go into effect pivot only and I'll slightly shuffle this over here. Slightly I'll copy this, go into the vertices and push it down. Alright. So that can be created in this way. Alright. So we have few other references. Let's go into rendering, view image file, and let's take some other reference. You can even model this stuff. You can model a lamp also. So although we have a table, so let's just duplicate this table over here. Let's take a cylinder. Convert to editable poly. Select the polygons, slightly scale it. I can inset this part and extrude this up like this. Select the vertices. Again, you can just take a cylinder, can go into this angle snap toggle and set it to 90 degree. Reduce its radius. I'll again go into this, convert to poly, select the polygons, vertices, sorry, and I'll slightly rotate it again, push it over here in this way. Shuffle this till here. Take again a cylinder. So scale it, put it over here. So anybody can learn this basics of poly modeling. So we are not using any kind of spline modeling stuff over here. So let's take a cone over here. I'll be taking a cone over here. Reduce its radius, increase its height, and radius 1 you can reduce, radius 2, and let's just mirror it in Z axis, push it up, convert to editable poly, select this polygons over here. Let's give slightly a bit of inset, bridge, and let's give taper over here. You can give a taper if required. You can give a curve like this. And you can slightly rotate it. So just push it, increase it. Alright. So just select this whole thing. Let's click OK. You can make this drawer also. It's very simple. Let's take a box over here. Convert to editable poly. Select this polygon, slightly I'll give a bit of inset, and I'll add a Swiftloop. So select this polygons, slightly inset it, not much, very less. Put a loop over here. Select this and delete this stuff. You can delete that if required. There are many other ways you can do that. Even I can extrude this out much better. Put a Swiftloop over here. And again select this, extrude it a bit up like this, delete this. This is totally okay. So same for this. Let's put one loop, delete this, extrude this out, put one loop over here, extrude it up, select this polygons, slightly delete it. So you can make in other way also, totally possible. So let's just take a box over here. So convert to editable poly. Let's put one loop over here, put one loop over here, select this polygons and slightly extrude it. You can even use a bend modifier if required. And slightly give a bit of chamfer and isolate this. So push it up, duplicate this, so again duplicate it and put it at the bottom. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So as you can see how we have done few of the things again over here using a poly modeling. So we'll be definitely going through a lot of things in different tutorials with the using poly modeling and spline modeling. So if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. So thanks for watching this tutorial.